And now we move on towards another prestigious honor for this evening, ladies and gentlemen. That is the TIOL Exemplary Businesswoman Award 2025. And please put your hands together as this award is being conferred upon Srimati Shobana Bhartiya, Chairman and Editorial Director of HT Media Limited. Before we do the presentation ceremony, I would like to request Shri R. Sridhar from TIOL to kindly join me on the dais and read the citation.
Srimati Shobana Bhartiya, the Media Maven of India. Srimati Shobana Bhartiya, born into an illustrious Birla family, is a trailblazer in the Indian journalism. As the chairperson and the editorial director of the Hindustan Times Group, she took the media world by storm, proving that pen is mightier than, well, pretty much everything, not only the sword. Growing up in a household buzzing with industry, politics and culture, Srimati Bhartiya was bound to catch the news bug with a father and grandfather who were giants in the industrial world. She had a front row seat to the theater of economic development. In 1986, a young and ambitious Srimati Bhartiya joined the Hindustan Times as its chief executive at just 29. Talk about her exemplary arrival. She made history as the first woman to head a national newspaper in India, shaking up the male-dominated industry with an innovative approach and unyielding determination. Srimati Bhartiya's journalistic philosophy is simple yet profound. News is a public trust. She sees Hindustan Times as a work in progress, constantly evolving, just like India itself. Her commitment to journalistic integrity and independence has been the cornerstone, making her a beacon of trust in the media landscape. But her influence doesn't stop at the newsroom. She served as a member of the Rajya Sabha, bringing her media-savvy insights into political arena. Education is another feather in her cap. As the Chancellor of BITS School of Management and Pro-Chancellor of BITS Pilani, Srimati Bhartiya continues to champion world-class learning, education, and foster the next generation of leaders. Her contributions to journalism and society have not gone unnoticed. From the Global Leader of Tomorrow Award to being listed amongst the Forbes' most powerful women, her accolades are a testament to her indomitable spirit and influence. Reflecting on her journey, Srimati Bhartiya once said, "I have grown up surrounded by news and newsmakers. I have been shaped by news, and I like to think that our newsroom, in its own way, has helped shape opinions and influence people. Her story is one of resilience, innovation, and unwavering commitment to excellence. Her leadership has transformed Hindustan Times into a dynamic and an influential publication, while her contribution to education and politics underscore her multifaceted influence." Srimati Bhartiya isn't just a media mogul. She is a beacon of progress and integrity in Indian journalism. Her vision and dedication continue to inspire countless others to strive for truth, excellence, and social impact. As we honor her with the TIOL Exemplary Businesswoman Achievers Award 2025, we celebrate a visionary who has redefined media and set new standards for future generations to follow. Thank you.
Thank you, Shri R. Sridhar, for that. And I request Nitin Gadkari ji to kindly come forward on the stage for the presentation ceremony. Srimati Shobana Bhartiya is unwell and couldn't be here with us, but we have Srimati Meenal Baghel, Executive Editor of Hindustan Times, here to receive the award on her behalf. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for the TIOL Exemplary Businesswoman Award 2020. invite Srimati Shobna Bhartiya for her outstanding leadership in media and her invaluable contribution to journalism, business, and nation building.